In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep OneDrive files online only, simplifying your digital life and freeing up space on your computer. To start, you'll need to open the OneDrive app on your desktop or laptop. If you haven't installed OneDrive yet, it can easily be downloaded from Microsoft's official website. It's a simple installation process and, once completed, you're all set to move forward. You may wonder why using OneDrive is a good idea. Well, it integrates seamlessly with both Windows and macOS, making it incredibly convenient to sync and access files across multiple devices. Once everything is set up and OneDrive is up and running, the next step is to click on Open Folder. This will direct you straight to your OneDrive folder on your computer, where all your synchronized files and folders reside. Think of it as opening a door to access all your stored data in OneDrive. Everything is easily accessible and neatly organized. Now, here's where the magic really happens. Find a file that you want to keep online only. This might be a substantial video file from a memorable vacation or an important work presentation from last year. Whatever the file might be, simply right-click on it. Among the context menu options, you'll find View Online. Clicking on this shifts gears from local storage to cloud-based storage. This means the file no longer takes up space on your hard drive. What actually takes place here is that OneDrive keeps a placeholder on your computer, while the actual file is stored securely in the cloud. The beauty of this feature is, whenever you need to access the file, simply double-click on the placeholder and OneDrive will download the file for you. This seamless integration is a game-changer for managing your digital storage. It not only saves significant space on your device but also ensures that your files are accessible at any time and from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. It's like having a digital library at your fingertips without the physical burden of carrying around the books. To recap, the process of keeping your OneDrive files online only is straightforward and effective. Start by opening the OneDrive app and then navigate to the Open Folder option to view your files. Right-click on the file you wish to keep online only and select View Online. This action sets your file to be accessible from the cloud, thereby freeing up physical storage on your device. A couple of additional tips before we close: make sure to stay connected to the internet, especially when accessing your online-only files, and keep an eye on your internet data usage, particularly if you're accessing or downloading large files frequently. And that's it. You now know how to keep your OneDrive files online only, making your digital life a bit simpler and giving your computer storage some breathing room.